yakun Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kún bá yakun Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí dábọ̀ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Láfi ń ṣe tiwa, ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ.
In today's video, I want to explain how to use these two materials. These two materials, when you add it to your cream, it ends promise and fail. Or if you want to go and meet someone that is very important to you and you don't want any promise and fail to happen between you and him or her. So I want to share with you simple materials, two materials that you can apply, or you add it to your cream, or you add it to perfume. Either you add it to define grace, or you add it to perfume. So whenever you are going out, you apply it all over your body. Believe me, when you try this simple assignment, by the grace of Almighty God, you will surely share me a good testimony. And if you are kind of person that always have bad dreams, you always dream, you understand, or whenever you wake up in the morning, you feel like all your body is paining you, you understand. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you notice that every part of your body is paining you, you understand. You can also apply this before you sleep in the night. If you use it with perfume like Divine Grace or Stop Evil perfume, you can apply it all over your body before you sleep. Are you with me? Or you can mix it with shea butter, ori in Yoruba language. So you apply it all over your body before you sleep. And by the grace of Almighty God, whenever you apply this simple method, you will never have anything like when you wake up, your body is paining you, understand? You will never have spiritual attack when you are sleeping, you understand? So the two materials we have here is bitter kola and kafra. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baba Winje. And if this is your first time here, everything I do is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, please feel free to call me on the 070-3742-2552. So as see from the title, today I want to quickly share with you how to use bitter kola and kafra. Bitter kola and kafra. So this is bitter kola. We call it orugbo in Yoruba language. And this is kafra. This kafra is very common, right? It's very, very common. You can get it anywhere. If you don't have it in your country, you can order it online. So how to use these two materials to end spiritual attack, promise and fail. You understand? It serves many purposes. You understand? Whenever you are going to somewhere and you apply it, if you are kind of person that always believe that you always have promise and faith in everything you are doing, whenever you are going out, you can add it to your cream and you apply it all over your body. and by the grace of Almighty God, you will come here and share me a good testimony. In fact, you can also use it to fight your enemies, right? You can use it to fight your what I mean by fighting with your enemy is that maybe if you are in the group of enemies, you understand, when you apply this this method, they will never have any spiritual power against you. You understand? Or whenever they try to say something against you, it's not going to work. Nothing will happen to them, but whenever they try to say something against you, it's not going to work by the grace of Almighty God. So what you need a dry of this bitter cola, dry one. You need the dried one. You pound it to a powder. You don't need one, just one is okay. Don't use 2, 3, 4, 5. Use one. Are you with me? One of this. You grind it to a powder. You remove the back, just like this one. Just like this one. You remove the back. Are you with me? You pound it to a powder. If you don't have the dried one over there, you can buy fresh one and you dry it by yourself. You pound it very well. Then you need 1 piece of afra. You need 1 piece, just like this one. 1 piece. This is 1 piece. One of this, you need it. You pound it together. You pound it together. So there are many ways to use this powder. Either you add it with shea butter. You understand? You add it with shea butter. You apply it whenever you want to sleep. You understand? Or if you have attack, like you just wake up in the morning, you started having some kind of spiritual attack. You understand? Or you feel that your body is very hot. You can apply this when you add it with shea butter, right? But if you add it to your cream, each time that you want to go out in the morning, you apply the cream. If you add it to perfume, you can apply this perfume before you leave your house. Or if you want to sleep in the night, you know that you always have a bad dreams and you want to sleep, you are afraid to sleep, you apply this all over your body. So by the grace of Almighty God, you will start seeing the result gradually. If you may see the result physically, you understand, something strange must happen the first day, second, third day you use this assignment. It's very simple and very, very effective, only if you follow my instruction. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. By the grace of Almighty God, tomorrow in my live video, I'm going to explain how to use 1 bitter cola and alligator pepper, a seed of alligator pepper, to fight your enemies, to deal with your enemy without fighting them. This one bitter cola and 7 seed of alligator pepper. If you're a woman, you use 7 seed of alligator pepper. If you're a man, you use 9 seed of alligator pepper. When you try that simple assignment, believe me, you are coming here to share me a good testimony. It's very simple. Tomorrow in my live video, I'm going to explain that around 11:30 a.m. by the grace of Almighty God. So that is what I have for you today. If you love this video, please help me to like this video. As you like my video, may Almighty God bless you.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde.